Hello everyone, Samit here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about US dollar index and the rest of the market and the direction of the market, especially the USD pairs. So let's get started. Right now it's like 5 a.m. Thursday morning, and yesterday, Saturday, um, we had a big news, FOMC, right? And usually market checks up after that. Um, but at the time it came out like 2 o'clock, but I waited until 3 4 5, nothing really happened. 6 7 8 9, I said what the hell. So I even had a webinar to do, and I didn't. That's the reason, because nothing was clear what the heck is happening. So what do I would say in a webinar, right? So that's why I postponed the webinar. But now I can see a little bit of a direction coming in. So let me explain that. On 15th October, this is where the price was, the US dollar index. So I said, okay, it's not gonna go up more than that. It's gonna drop from there, and it did. And what happened to this chart after a little while is this. So on the 2nd December, it came straight down from there all the way. And it was just above this when I made this chart that, okay, this is the area somewhere here. It's going to make the turn. Either it's going to go right from there where it is now, or it will drop to 1026, hit this TL, hit this horizontal SNR level, it's a monthly high, and then it will go up from there. The monthly high at 1026 is this. This is the monthly chart. And I also made the monthly chart that's going to drop here, 1026, and somewhere here, it could be, going from there where it was at the time, but no, it didn't. It went up a little bit, but then it dropped, right? Finally, after FOMC, it dropped here, 1026, and now this is how it looks like. This is the monthly chart. Drop, hit, went, and the weekly chart is this. All right, so it came nicely and it dropped to this 1026 and start to pull back. That's what I wanted to see, that if it is going to go to the upside. Another chart that I was making was the 80-minute chart here, saying that, okay, this is wave 1 2, then I was expecting 3 4 5 in the turn. And now what happened is Elliott wave is very subjective, and nothing is clear until it's done. So you can only speculate based on the previous pattern. So I thought maybe this is wave 3 4, and here wave 5 ended, and we're gonna go up. So I made the chart, right? But it went up a little bit and then drop again all the way here to 1026 anyway, right? I was expecting that as well, right? So now I think that we are done here. Why I think, let me show you. There's a diagram that I made a long time ago, 10 years, 12 years ago. So this is usually what's happened in the market, right? So this is a bull market diagram, because the bearish one, I can't find it, it's just gone. So if you flip it to the downside, you'll see that the price react this way. 1 2, small, 1 2, small, big wave 3, then small wave 4, and then wave 5 is like 1 2 3 4 5, and then the breakout happened here. Just the opposite of this. And I found a diagram from the internet, and I got it for you. Let me show. Okay, here. Okay, this one. See, this is the bullish one. They just like I showed you, and just the opposite is the bearish one. So what happens is wave 1 2, small wave 2 3, small wave 4, and then 1 2 3 4 5, and it breaks out from there and then move on. It can be wave C, it can be wave 5. What's the difference? The difference is that if you can count 1 2 3 4, it is wave 5. If you have only 1 and 2, and this could be wave 3, so that would be a ABC correction, and then followed by an impulse wave. So is it C or wave 5? If it is wave 5, then this is impulse followed by a correction and then drop again. Okay, so that's very important to understand. So let's go take a look here. What happened? What happened here is that it is dropping 1 2, and then we have nice wave 3 4, and then wave 5. Now the same thing I have on a regular candles on a 4-hour chart is like this. So now this is, if you can say that this is the high, so the move ended here, and after that, this is A and B, and wave C. Now, wave C can have 5 waves, which is you can count easily 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 3 is wave 4, and then here the count is like, okay, it's 1, 2, 3. No, it could be like 1, 2, and 3. Maybe we'll go up for wave 4 or wave 5. If we can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this going up wave 5, that is not right. But anyway, this looks like that. Okay, it is some kind of crooked ending diagonal. It could be wave 5 and it could be wave 3. So be ready. That's what it is. Maybe this is ending here, right? It has gone too far and too many small waves, right? So we can say this 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. That is also a possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though the one should be more, and then smaller and smaller waves should be getting smaller, like here. See, if this is wave 1, then wave 2. Yeah, but wave 3 came down below 1, so that's fine, right? So wave 1 came down below 3, so that's another wave. So wave 1 here is just around wave 3, and then wave 3 came down with this, and then came down below that. So this could be a very nice, we can say, ending diagonal. So if this is wave 3 or C, either way we need to go up, and that's what we started doing. It was not going up, so I was like skeptical that maybe it's gonna drop one more time, man. Keep dodging me. So here, my 80-minute chart is showing some sign of going to the upside, and it's not gonna go. If this is wave 3 ending here, just like I said before, that okay, this is not. This is maybe small wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and this whole thing is in wave 5 of wave 3 of this count 1, 2, and then 3. Then we need to go back to wave 4 here into this area, right? If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 5, then we have to go back, doing the correction A, B, C to the upside, and A could go as far as this band here, right? And that would be like in 5 waves. So it's got probably one somewhere here, maybe this high, then it drop back to this level 2, and then 3 to this high, and then drop back to this level 4, and then go up for wave 5, and that would be wave A. Right? Or it can unfold like 3 waves pattern, A, B, C, right? A, and then drop back for wave B, and then followed by wave C to the upside, around 61% of this whole thing. If this whole thing is wave 5, right? So for example, if it started from here, then A, B, C correction, the whole thing should be going back to this area, right? So it could go here, A, in 5 small waves or 3 small waves, then B, right? And then C here to 161%. That would be fulfilling this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and going up here to the ABC fashion to the correction. If this is correction, by any chance that I'm wrong, then we will see that this could be like wave 1 and 2 instead of A, B, and then followed by big wave 3 and 4 and 5. So either way, we have to go up here into this area, either correction or impulse, right? And that it seems like it's a starting. So what we expect, we need to expect this EU, GU, AU, and NU to the downside. And what the heck happened here, right? And these 3 pairs will go up. So are they? That's the question. Are they doing it with the USD slightly going to the upside, right? So let me go and show you one by one all the USD pairs and what are they doing. This little move has made them what? To do EUR-USD. See that? It's already start dropping. Pound, this is 1 hour chart. Pound USD, already start dropping. Aussie USD, boom, start dropping. Aussie USD, boom, start dropping. USD yen supposed to go up and start to go up. USD CAD supposed to go up, and well, not yet, because CAD is also getting strong again. And this USD Frankie, it start to go up. Right, CAD is getting strong because oil is getting strong. USD-CAD, I don't know. Let me just quickly show you what's happening there. Probably, really. Okay, that was index, I think, and I don't want to move myself out of here. Let me see if I can just really do that. You see that? Okay, the index, use the index daily chart. You can see that this could be like wave 1, 2, and beautiful wave 3. And if that's what it is, we could go back to 38% for wave 4 somewhere, right? So CAD is gonna get it strong, right? And if you see if it is 1 or C or 3, let's take a look at that. The Fibonacci. Okay, so it's 161%. It's more than 161%. That's wave 3. Okay, so it's done that. It is wave 3. That's and then this is CAD dropping. CAD USD CAD monthly chart, right? So if it is dropping like this, and so it can bounce back, go back to for wave 4 to the upside, and then drop. So it's gonna bounce from this area. This is where as low as it came down to like 55.38, right? Is there, and then how low it did 55.45. So this number, this high, stopped it, right? 55.38, 55.45. So now it needs to go back to what the heck? Okay, see on even on this my Renko chart showing this like wave 1, 2, and then nice wave 3 to the downside, followed by wave 4. So it will go up and it will get strong. So if USD getting strong and the CAD is getting strong, what do you expect, right? Nothing is gonna go nowhere. So this is the area it will go back 59.68 and 59.68. We can find right there, right? So it came down to this, gonna go back to that. Band is right there. So be aware, CAD and all CAD pairs will react to this move up in the CAD, like Euro CAD, Pound CAD, they're gonna drop, all right? And they are a big. I'll show you in a minute. So I hope that you understand that what the USDX is doing. USDX is going to the upside now, and all those 4 pairs will go up. Sorry, down, and then those 3 will go up. Let me go back again. I'll redo the chart and I'll send out. And I showed you pound is getting. CAD is getting strong. So I'm going to show you some of those very beautiful charts of the CAD involved here. So this is USD index. It's going up now, slowly, right? And this will happen. So keep in mind, I'm gonna fix this chart. I think it's already fixed. I just have to, and I don't know if I have posted it, but I will again if I don't have posted already, then I will post it on the Telegram. Okay, and just be aware of it, and I'll keep you posted. What is happening? Which pair is turning where? And if the entries are coming up. Right. I have not heard any bell today at all. My alarm is just is very, very quiet because everything is turning from the top to bottom and there's no setup. So it's going to go all the way down. These 4 pairs going to go across the wave, right? And then, for example, this. So see, it has gone across. So there is no setup here bullish that it will drop and then make the bullish scenario, the setup, and then the alarm will beep, and then my USD pairs, respective pairs, will give me the alarm of the setup. So it is just gone in a straight line so far, right? We need a setup that shows the sign that it's going. So this is just a turning. It has gone quite a bit, so it's gonna retrace, but it still has to go a lot more to the upside. On a 40-minute chart, you can see that this was also, I was expecting that it ended here, so but it went up a little bit and then dropped, right? So this could go yeah, maybe this has gone. No, I don't think so. This is too small. So maybe it's gonna go up here, make small waves and then go up here somewhere, 1478, and then drop back to this and then go. Right. So we're gonna pay attention to the 80-minute chart and see what happens. Right here. Right. 1426, 1478 is this. So it might be going all the way there, like this one, and then drop. All right. So now let me just show you while I'm here the CAD pairs like pound CAD, euro CAD, how you can do what you can do with that. CAD is getting strong, so be aware of those pairs and be ready. This the CAD euro CAD has been doing this, and it is at this number right now. If you look at the weekly chart, amazing, right? It went up all the way so powerfully. Now CAD, we just saw CAD index is making a turn, so it might drop, and it requires an adjustment, to be honest with you, right? So this is what the CAD euro CAD is doing, and similarly you will see pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD, you see that? Pound CAD monthly chart. It went up all the way and hitting this TL here. Should be here, right? See, it's just kissing to the pip. And it can make the turn. With CAD getting strong, it can make the turn easily and drop. The weekly chart is this. This is like dropping, and then it's a big channel here going on, and then this is the big move to the upside. Now, this is the channel, and then this TL is still away. But if you draw the TL from the top, that's something different. See that? Wait. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So this TL might be stopping it, and as you know, you can see that in here, you see a lot of numbers here, right? 68.10, 67, 68. So how far we have gone? To be exact, 68.46. So 68.46, 68, 69. So we did 68.46, 68.69 is right there. TL is right there. Big move. We need a retrace, right? So that also can drop. CAD strength, yes. So pound CAD, euro CAD. On the other hand, CAD yen, that can fly, right? With CAD. What else CAD? What other CAD pairs? Euro CAD, pound CAD, USD CAD is probably not going to do anything because it's getting screwed up. Both currencies are getting strong. So CAD yen could be going to the upside if yen is weak. Oh yeah, see, it is dropped big time. See, this is also ending diagonal example here. See, this could be like the whole thing is wave 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4. And this wave 5 extended because of this diagonal, and then boom, it dropped. So now it's gonna retrace from here, right? The weekly chart. This is how the monthly chart is. The using CAD yen. What else? CAD, pound CAD, euro CAD, CAD. Okay. Aussie CAD. I don't even have that. So USD CAD. Just take a look at the bigger picture. So. USD CAD is here. It's in the middle of nowhere, right? So CAD getting strong, and if it gets very strong, like I just showed you the chart, then this thing can drag to the downside, right? But if USD getting strong, but remember USD getting strong for only for wave 4. So after the diagonal ending, it is going up. Maybe it's not ended yet, but I'm still trying to figure it out. But this is what happened, in December when people said that, that something is making a triangle or diagonal or ranging. It is because of the time of the week or time of the month or time of the year. Something is happening out there where the volume is gone, right? People are gone, big boys are gone, smart money is pulled away, and the market is slowing down. So you will see more and more complex corrections, flat correction after flat, or flat and zigzag, regular, all of that garbage. You will see all of those, and regular triangle, contracting triangle, expanded triangle, running flat, all of these things, you will see. And diagonals are one of them. There is another leading diagonal, which is wave one, starting after a drop or retracement, right? Then an impulse wave start, but that first wave one end up as a diagonal. Every leg is overlapping. 1, 2, and then 3 goes up, and then 4 overlapping wave 1, and then wave 5. It's like complex wave. But once it's done, then you know that it's going to drop very fast and furious style, and followed by wave 3 and all of that. So this is what we were having, and I was trying to figure it out, that what the heck is happening and why we are not bouncing. We are still bouncing slowly, USD, but at least I know that it is the reaction of FOMC, and they might have done something or might have said something that is making it going to the upside, right? So that probably will have a lasting effect on the USD, and then it will retrace. If not impulse, then maybe for going for a small wave A, and then followed, correction, right? So this is it for now. I hope I explained it a lot more, but I'll make another video, which I don't want to make a long video. Okay, so this is what it is, and I'll send out to this, and this video, if my subscriber don't mind, I'm gonna make it public, because some other people get benefit out of it, because people lose a lot of money, right? So they don't have these candles, only you, my subscribers, have these, but a general outlook of, if the market is very confusing and messed up, then people need to know what the direction is. So once in a while, helping other people is not a bad idea, right? So hope you don't mind. I'm gonna make this video public, and I'll make another video specific for my subscribers later on, and where I'll go over the whole market, the euro pairs, the pound pairs, what is the pound is doing, pound index, and pound USD, pound yen, right? All of that. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Oops, something started beeping, so I'm gonna go and take a look. That might be a good entry.